everyone, so I just wanted to welcome you to my new channel. This is my channel for my Etsy sticker shop, The Velvet Paper Company on Etsy, and I just wanted to introduce myself in case you guys don't know me. My name is Lauren. I also have another YouTube channel called Lauren Lex that I do beauty and lifestyle videos on, but this is all dedicated to my Etsy planner sticker shop. So I just wanted to introduce myself and share with you guys a little bit about me and my shop. I am a one-person team. I do all of the artwork, all of the producing of the stickers, the shipping, the customer service, everything is all me, and I just wanted to create this channel to share with you guys all of my new collections and anything planner related all on this one channel. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my newer releases and collections that I have out, and show you guys also my format of my kits and what they can look like in my planner. So let's get started, and I will share with you guys a few of my newest kits to my sticker shop. Alright, so the first kit I have is my Christmas kit. This one I'm so super excited about. I do have other Christmas kits available, but this is the new one that I did for this year. This one is called Christmas Magic, and really quickly I'm going to go through all the sheets just so you can kind of see what my sticker kits are like in format wise, and then I'll go quickly through the rest of them so you can just see the designs. But all my kits are $13.50 for the weekly kits, and I also offer monthly kits as well in various designs, and I think those are about $9.50 maybe. I'll have to double check the price on that one because it's been a bit since I've checked those. And I wanted to design my kits in a way that I felt like you could create an entire like full look planner with just one kit, so you don't have to buy a lot of extra or add-on things. That just adds up in the long run, and I try to keep my kits as competitively priced as I can. So my kits are $13.50, and I do offer free shipping on all orders on my Etsy shop, and of course I do have a link to my shop below if you are wanting to purchase any of my kits or look and see at the designs that I have. Another thing I wanted to quickly mention is that all my designs are exclusive to me because I have personally designed every single kit that I have created, so you will not be able to find these designs on any other sticker shop or anything like that. So they are all 100% unique, exclusive designs to my shop. Alright, so going into the first page of the kit, this is the full box page. You get 7 full boxes, and you also get a like quote box. I know that the Erin Condren planners have changed year after year, but I decided to kind of keep this the same. It is a little bit shorter than the full box, and then there is a blank header in here. So all of my kits look like that. And the next page here is the full check boxes. So you get 1 weekly here, and then you get 7 check mark boxes for the rest of them, and then of course you get 4 more blank headers here that you can use for whatever you want. The next page here has your date headers with the date dots as well, so you can just choose the dates and you can put them on the left of this little dotted line here, and I always love how these looked in my planner, so I'm really like proud that I'm able to like include this all in the kit without it having to be like an add-on type of thing. And then of course you get an assortment of icons here, and then of course it also includes 8 of the glitter flags. The next page here has your littles and your today stickers. There are also some bonus ones for this week to do, next week, and dinners. I like to use those sometimes as headers for this checkbox. In addition to that, you get 2 of the habit trackers and 2 little appointment labels, and then you get a variety of little stickers. So I have some television ones, I've got some payday ones, packages, some stars, asterisk, heart, some TV shows, and some dinner icons. So those are all included. And then the next page is the kind of like a deco page. So this one you get all of the glitter headers. Again, I have those included in my kit, so you don't have to buy anything separate. There are also some flag check boxes in case you wanted to like extend your kit, or if you just like to mix and match, you have the option for that, as well as having the full check boxes. And then of course every kit includes the weekend banner here and a little tassel banner. I always like those, like if you want to denote like a party or celebration or something, it's just cute. So those 2 are always in there. And then I also have 2 larger flags. This was for an older version of the Erin Condren. I just decided to keep those because they're still functional, and if you are still using an older version of the Erin Condren planner, you could use those as well. And then this space is always varied. It's going to be your deco page. I always try to include usually about like 5 to 8 stickers. This one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 deco stickers. So I always try to give you as much as I can with these without it being too overwhelming. So that is that page. And then the final page of my kit, these are actually more of like kind of like a quarter box, and then of course you get the bottom washi, and you also get a movie marquee in the kits, because I've seen other sticker shops sell kits comparable to this for like $20 or $30 or even more. So I just try to keep it as reasonable as I can. So this is my Christmas kit for the year. It's definitely really cute if you are not as into like traditional Christmas colors, which for me, I don't know, for a lot of holidays, I'm not very into like traditional colors, so I just like to do like pastels and mix it up and make it a little more girly. Every once in a while, I do like to do a little bit more traditional kind of things, but if you are definitely looking for like a little bit more of a girly Christmas kit, this would be a really, really good one to add to your collection. So now that I have shown you the format of my kit, I'm gonna go through a few more kits that I have and just kind of go through those a little bit more quickly so you can see. So this one is called Falling for Fall. Now I know fall time is kind of past, and I've had this kit designed for a bit, but I've just now gotten around to filming this video, so I still thought I would include it. But this one is a very like quintessential fall kit, and of course you could always save these for next year. So this one is very pumpkin patch themed, and I really like how this one turned out. Again, a little bit more of traditional fall colors with a little bit of a spin on it. So that is the full box page. This is the check boxes, and I always like to change the little icons to kind of go along with the theme of the kit. So for this one, it's pumpkins. And this is your dates and icon page. This is your headers and little things. This is the glitter headers and the deco page. And then finally, this is the washi page for this kit. The next kit I have, I was so excited about. This one is for kind of like a New Year's kind of themed one, but you could really kind of do it for like any kind of like celebration or like a party, or if you're doing like a 20s themed kind of thing. So since it's going to be going into 2020, I wanted to do like a Gatsby-esque kind of kit. So again, like I said, you could use this for New Year's, you could use this for like an anniversary party, or just whatever you want. This kit actually comes in 3 different skin tone availables. So I only have the light skin tone sample cut right now, but there are 3 options for skin tones on this kit. I try to offer a lot of skin tone options, just so that, you know, if you find one that, you know, fits you and represents you. So I try to do that as often as I can, but I don't do it for every single kit. Like for example, since the fall kit, since there's not really any actual skin tone showing, it's just one color. But if there's one where there's a lot of actual skin tone showing, I do try to offer multiple skin tone options. So this one does come in a light, medium, and a dark skin tone option. I will insert a picture here of those 3 so you can get an idea of what the skin tone range looks like. So again, I really love how this kit turned out. It's just very like luxe and glamorous, and I really like it. So I'm going to be using this one for like my New Year's theme. So this is the full box page. This one is your check boxes. These have little like champagne glasses for the icon this time, and I love how that turned out. This one is your dates and icons. This is your headers and little things. This is your glitter headers and decos. So this one, there's not as many deco pieces, but they're a little bit bigger and larger. So just a lot of like really cute elements from the kit that I designed. And then finally, this is the washi page. The next 2 kits I have are in a collection that I'm working on, so it's an ongoing series. I actually have a 3rd kit in this collection, but I do not have the sample printed, but it is available on my Etsy shop. And this is all based around travel. So I'm going to be doing a lot of different countries in this one. So the first one I have is called Sia Korea. And this one is of course a like South Korean vibe kind of kit. So it's got a lot of really cute things. So it's got like traditional dress. So it's got the hanbok, and then there's traditional food. So we've got kimbap, we've got bungeoppang, and soju. I also want to do like some traditional games and stuff. And then we've got like some touristy sites, like a traditional monument or building, and then I try to do like some symbols of the country. So you'll see this kind of theme reoccurring with all the countries that I do, but I really love how this turned out, and I can't wait to work on more of these designs. So again, this is the full box page. This one is the checkbox, and you can see that the icons are actually the Korean alphabet. So it's kanda, dara, ma, ba, and I thought that was like a really cute way to do it. So that's that one. This is your dates and icons. This is your headers and little things. This one is the deco, so it says 안녕하세요, so it's hello in Korean. And then I also have 감사합니다, which is thank you. And of course the flag, we have the kimbap, we have a keychain of the country, and there is bungeoppang, passport, soju, and all the other things. And there's actually these 2 little sticks that are part of a Korean traditional game that's really cool. And then finally, this is the washi page. So that is the Sia Korea kit. And the next one I have in that same series, this one is Hey Hey UK. So again, this is one of my favorite ones I've created in a long time. So instead of this one being just like England in general, I decided to kind of do more of like UK kind of inspired. So there's a lot of things in here. So this is the full checkbox, of course. I love how Big Ben turned out. That one took me so long to illustrate, but I love how it turned out. So of course this is the full boxes. This is the checkbox. I did the crown for the kingdom. Next is the date and icon page. Next is the headers and little things. This one is the deco. I decided to do Cheerio and Hello Mate for this one. one. There's the cricket bat, the English breakfast, and the flag, of course, and then this is the washi page. So I do already have a Japan-inspired kit. That one's called Ohio Japan. So I'll insert pictures of that one. It is available on my shop. I just didn't have the samples cut for that one yet to show in this video, but I wanted to include that. So if you're interested in these travel kits, that you would know that which ones I already have available. I have plans to do so many different countries. It'll just take me some time to design those. So that's going to be an ongoing collection that I have on my Etsy shop, and just you'll have to check back every once in a while for new kits that I have available. And one last thing I also wanted to mention, I wanted to show you guys kind of what my sticker kits would look like in the planner. I do have full mock-ups of them on the listing pages of the Etsy page, so you can see like what the kit will look like all laid out. Of course, you can do it however you want, but this is just a style I like to do. So this is just a sample spread that I have in my page. This is another kit that I have designed on my shop. I did not add like the little things and everything, so there's a few sticker elements that are not included, but basically just the way I like to plan, this is generally how my sticker kits are laid out. Of course, you can always mix it up if you like to do a different planning style, but I like to include this as well so you can really see how the kit looks almost completed rather than just all the individual parts like this. Sometimes it can be hard to imagine what the kit will look like all in your planner, so I also have mock-ups of all my kits of what it looks like in this kind of planning style, and of course you can mix it up and change it however you like with your placement. But I just wanted to let you guys see, that way you can see really what you're getting in the kit. This is all just from my base kit, and of course, like I said, I still didn't add any of the little things or some of the icons, and of course there's more things you can add to the sidebar here as well. So I just wanted to include that so you guys could see really what you are getting in a full kit. And if you are someone who likes more of like a white space planning, or if you like to break up your kits some, you can extend your kits and kind of use them on multiple weeks, just depending on your planning style. So yeah, I just wanted to include that as well. Alright, so those are just some of the new kits that I have available on my Etsy shop at the moment. I have so many weekly and monthly kits available at the moment. I probably have close to, I don't know, maybe 40 to 50 kits already on my shop. So I just wanted to do this video to kind of give you an introduction to my channel and an introduction to my Etsy shop. So if you are looking for a new sticker shop to try out, I would be so honored if you would check out my items and let me know what you guys think of them. So for this video, I did have quite a few kits to show, but I expect most of my like new release videos to maybe contain like 1 or 2 kits because I am creating all the artwork myself, so it does take a significant amount of time. I actually work multiple jobs as well, so this is kind of like my side hustle compared to all of my other jobs that I have. So it does take more time for me to produce a full new sticker kit, so I strive to try to get 1 kit out a week, but sometimes that's just not feasible, especially at this point with me working full-time and part-time. But I do want to do like a little video showing you these kits whenever I have them available, so you can get an idea of what they look like, the quality of them, what you can expect to get in the kit. And it's always nice just to see the kit like in its actual physical form rather than a digital mock-up of them. So yeah, I will try to have like maybe some plan with me's on this channel, some new release videos. I actually have a planner like first impression review coming up on this channel, so I just wanted to include that on my channel, and thank you guys for taking the time to take interest in my shop, and I hope you guys like my designs. Like I said, I will have links to all these kits and my sticker shop linked below if you're interested in purchasing them or just seeing more of what I have. That would be greatly appreciated. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.